Shairi. I'm back with another video. This is Bengalorean SK Vlogger signing in. So I just starting up a vlog in a Shairi farm. It's 11:30 and I'll have to leave. I have my Maggie prepared, so I'll just eat my Maggie and I'll leave for Sunday Bazaar. You people already know which type of Maggie I prepare, right? The type of Maggie I prepare. Finish that and I. So guys, time हो चुका है बहुत ज़्यादा. I have become very late. It's 12:30 I think so. So अब मुझे जाना पड़ेगा. मैं जा रहा हूँ. I don't know my vehicle and leave to my destination. Oops, I didn't get. Seriously like to vlog in this. What you say? Lift. That seriously gives me a very big satisfaction. It's ground floor. I'll just go and see it. Where is my vehicle? My vehicle is here. I'll just see if I have my license in and I'll leave. Thank you. So guys, sudden change in plan. मुझे जाना था संडे बाजार लेकिन नहीं हुआ. But I bought a new Yulo. I'm enjoying in this. It's damn fun. I'll be going to UB City with this. Yeah, I'll see you when I reach the destination. This is so scary. Fuck. तो मैं आ चुका हूँ यूलू में फूफू के घर और I'm planning to leave for UB City in this bike. That's damn fun in this bike. Yeah. तो I'll see you people when I reach UB City. तो guys, निकल चुका हूँ मैं यूलू लेकर UB City को, वो भी उतनी दूर. It has an energy of 55 to 60 kilometers. So let's see how I reach UB City with a Yulo. सच्ची में बहुत फट रही है मेरी गाड़ी चलाने में. जान नहीं आ रही है. अल्लाह बचा लेना. I'll just put up my tripod and I'll see if I can take a time lapse. I've mounted my tripod like this and अब टाइम लैप्स लेने का टाइम है. ये थोड़ा हिल रहा है ऐसा करके, तो God should save my tripod and my phone. Guys, sorry but I couldn't take not able to take a proper time lapse. I have just taken some. I'll show you people afterwards. बाद में दिखाता हूँ मैं. I'm seriously enjoying a lot. एक हाथ में vlog भी नहीं कर सकता कहीं को पता सामने पुलिस वाले ही और I don't want to take risk. Yeah, so I'll see you in between the way. तो आ चुका हूँ मैं अरब लेन रोड पर. खाली सा रोड है. सिर्फ इसमें थोड़ी स्पीड नहीं है. अगर स्पीड रहती तो काम बन जाता, लेकिन स्पीड नहीं है. वही एक है. आई एम ऑलमोस्ट गोइंग ऑन ए 5 to 7 स्पीड per kilometer hour. Yeah, kmph. Yeah, so I'm still very far from UB City. I don't know when will I go over there. So guys, that's the amount of traffic I have. जा रहा हूँ अरब लेन. Pass out to all. Yeah, I'll see you front. मैं आ चुका हूँ मेरे भाई के ऑफिस. It's homeline.com. I had to meet him. I was just passing around. I thought of meeting him, so I'm going down. He's coming down to meet me. Yes, so guys, finished up the ride very successfully, but very slow. That's the cafe coffee day of near parking. I'm just going to UB City. I've never been to UB City before, so I'll just go and explore it, and I'll also try to show you people if they allow me to vlog over there. Yeah, going to UB City. It's damn crazy today because मैंने अब तक सोचा भी नहीं था कि ऐसा दिन देखने मिलेगा. I thought I would go to Sunday Bazaar, a local market, and see what people do over there. But मैं अब जा रहा हूँ UB City where all the world's most expensive things are around there. The two on a Yulu have come. Yeah, so it was a good day. It's been a good day till now. I'll just see, I'll go and vlog over there. That's a huge building out there. I hope you people can see it good. And finally, I don't know if they'll allow me to vlog inside. I'll just see. This is the entrance. That's the entrance. All the I don't know what will I do over here. I'm just come to explore it. Let's see what we do. Come up in UB City. It's a damn expensive place. What would I do over here? Yeah. From up down. That's what it is. It's the UB City. And I don't know till where they'll allow me to vlog. I'll just see and I'll explore it. Yeah, so there is a good view out there. I'll just see you people. I'm feeling little bit awkward. बहुत awkward feel कर रहा हूँ मैं people लोगों के सामने vlog करने. तो yeah. So I've come up to this place where everyone is sitting. मुझे आइडिया भी नहीं है यहाँ का कुछ भी. There are many people over here. I didn't think this many people will be over here. Yeah. तो मैं vlog कर रहा हूँ UB City में the tallest of all. That's one building. I don't know the name of that building. That's the second one, and this is the main. And all over here there is party going on all around here. There are many expensive cafes over here. That's the Fuzzy Cafe. If you have heard properly, that's Fuzzy Cafe over here. I didn't know it was here. मुझे आइडिया नहीं था कि Fuzzy Cafe इधर है. तो हाँ, कुछ नहीं, सिर्फ देख रहा हूँ आसपास का नज़ारा. कुछ बराबर सा नहीं है. I don't know what would I do over here for half an hour more. I would just roam. I'll be here. 10-15 मिनट बैठूँगा, देख लूँगा और निकल जाऊँगा. I don't think I would be even suitable over this place. Yeah. So that's what UB City is for you people who have not seen it. So guys, थोड़ी देर इधर chill मार रहा था. More than half an hour I think so. And I'm little bit curious to go over there and see what's inside that. मुझे पता नहीं अंदर क्या है. तो मैं अब अंदर जाके थोड़ा explore करके आता हूँ. So I've come up here. That's an emergency exit staircase in case of any fire or something breaks out. या तो भी फायर गियर ब्रेकआउट होगा तो माकू शबाना हो जाती है. या तो वेर याद रखो भाई, कौन तो भी UB City को आ रही का तो क्या तो भी फायर गियर ब्रेकआउट होगा तो यहाँ से भागना पड़ता है. तोड़ डालो गेटा. या अब ऊपर जाना फिर टाइम लैप्स लेना. व्लॉगिंग इज़ वेरी डिफ़िकल्ट पार्ट. सो गाइस, this is the building which people come to see. And also this, I don't think you people can see, but chairs and all are there. I think that's in hotel or in apart, I don't know. That's so tiring. बहुत सारे लोग हैं इधर. That's Fuzzy Cafe, and that was the place where I sat there, here somewhere. ऐसा वहाँ बैठा था सो मैं अब अंदर रखना पड़ता ट्राइपॉड, तो आई कीप माई ट्राइपॉड एंड आई लॉक फ्रॉम माई phone itself just by my hands. That's something bad mash. All party is going on. Cocktail and soon. Just going to see what's all over here. That's what you get. That's the places you have. And there we go, that's an MRP shop. There is a, I hope you people can see, that's a Flory Click, and there are many things over here. मैं उतर रहा हूँ, I'll just see what's over there also. That's a diesel shop, a brand new shop. That's a Louis Vuitton and Ethos Rolex. Rolex is the first time I've seen Rolex. And yeah, there are many more things. Also there is a jewelry shop. Jewelry. It's the entrance place. I don't know what's over there. चलो देखते हैं उधर भी क्या एक्सप्लोर करने आए तो पूरा एक्सप्लोर करके जाएंगे. एंड ऑल्सो प्लीज़ डू कमेंट डाउन बिलो अगर आपको मुझे इंग्लिश में या हिंदी में बात करना है, और कमेंट डाउन बिलो. एंड दैट्स Swarovski. There are many things over here I've never seen. LV, Louis Vuitton, huh? All the richies are rolling over here. I again need to go and pick up my Yulu. That was a fun ride. बहुत मज़ा आया. I recommend you people to try it once in your lifetime because seriously that's a good experience, and also that costs a lot less than what it would take when I came in two-wheeler. Yeah. I don't think so people can listen to me. I'll just see. अगर अमीरी की कमी ना हो ना तो ये देख लो, सिर्फ ये एक पार्किंग के लिए पर आवर 1000 रुपीज़ है. तो सोचो कितना अमीर रहेगा कि एक आवर के लिए 1000 रुपीज़ स्पेंडिंग. इट्स लाइक वेस्ट ऑफ मनी, ऑल्सो वेस्ट ऑफ योर hardly earned money. And also here who asked for auto, that's good. I know what rates they put. वो तो छिल डालते रहेंगे सबको. Normally all the rich people are here. If they catch an auto, what will they do? Yeah, there are many of couples roaming around. I think they make this as in their snack time area. So JW Marriott बाजू में ही है UBCT के. This is Bangalore JW Marriott Hotel, the 5-star hotel. There is some cricket match going on over there. I don't think people can see, nor can I. पता नहीं, लेकिन तभी से when I came, जब मैं आया तब से उधर कुछ अनाउंसमेंट चल रहा है. तो हाँ, ये रही मेन रोड. It was a crazy day. I'll go back to my home and I'll end the vlog over there. So guys, तो कुछ पंगा हो चुका था वो यूलू के साथ, तो फिर रिचार्ज करके अब मैं लेकर निकल चुका हूँ यूलू. मुझे पता नहीं, और वेदर तो पूरी तरीके से ख़राब है. इट्स ऑलमोस्ट लाइक रेनी सीज़न. तो देखते हैं, चलो भीग के जाता हूँ मैं या नॉर्मली घर जाता हूँ. थोड़ा मौसम ख़राब भी है, अच्छा भी है, बुरा भी है. पता नहीं चल रहा है क्या बोलूँ, क्योंकि थक चुका हूँ मैं. सिर्फ इतने से काम के लिए थक चुका हूँ. तो यू पीपल कैन थिंक हाउ लेजी आई एम. Also, that's the charging, and that's bell. Yeah, so that's all. I'll just guys आ चुका हूँ मैं घर के पास. लस्सी शॉप में कुछ स्वीट लस्सी ऑर्डर की है. तो या दैट वाज माय डे. आई जस्ट एंडेड अप द यूलो. बहुत दिमाग ख़राब हो गया यूलो से क्योंकि उसका एप्लीकेशन अच्छा नहीं है. The response in that application for the customers is not good. I don't recommend that just because of the customer service. Yeah. तो गाइस आ चुका हूँ मैं घर. तो आज का व्लॉग इधर ही भस्म है. होप करता हूँ कि आप लोगों को मेरा व्लॉग पसंद आया. कमेंट डाउन बिलो हाउ डिड यू लाइक द व्लॉग. Which part should I improve in and decrease in. SK Vlogger signing out. Yeah, and also do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Share it with your friends. This is here. Yeah, this is share, this is share, this is subscribe, this is press the bell icon, and this is like. Yeah, and also my Instagram account will be in the description box below. So go and follow me for more updates. If I get some followers, I will start posting my stories. Yeah, so signing out. Peace.